How to clear off Facebook activity history on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to clear off Facebook history activity on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in top corner and go down until you find settings, and then just click this one here of Facebook activity and click manage your Facebook activity, and here you will find it clear history. Just click on it and click clear history, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.